government ki meeting makada Ministry of Minority Affairs na Prime Minister 15 point program gi manung channa paikhatliba minority community singi chakhat thorangi scheme singi manungda ama oiriba Prime Minister Jan Vikash Yojna Asi MLA Beaurocrate officer amadi political leaders singa LOUTUNARAGA SELDANPHAM OIRE HAINA MANIPUR MEITEI-PANGAL Welfare Organization MMWO ogi MAIKEIDAGI PHONGDORAKLI MMWO na thadorakpa chirol amada scheme asi guideline gi matung inna niyom chumna implement taurabra scheme asi gi development work project sing guideline fulfill tauraga minority community singi needful oiba hiram singda paikhat piram labadi chakhat khongthangda achoba mai pa ama purak lambasu yai adubu laibak thibadi scheme asi guideline gi wangmada angam athau singi apambada project sing paikhat lakpa development work sing asibu minority concentration area sunnataba project asigi kana basu minority community singna fangba mafam su oidaba mafam singda paikhatpana scheme asi manipur dadi leitabaga chap manare maramaduna government of manipur gi administrative committee na PMWO gi project sing asi valley based minority concentration area danataba semjin sajinba project kayada yumpham oiraga makha tana program asigi project sing paikhatlaklabadi miyamga khutsam naraga haurakpa ihaugi amang atong governor of manipur amadi chief secretary na pujagadabani haina chirolasina makha tari